In this lesson we do some work on numbers up to 999. Now to help us out we're going to be using some cubes. Now this one here, referred to as a short, is worth 1. Then we've got 10 of these. Okay, we'll refer to this as a long, and it's worth 10. Okay, 10 little cubes. This one here is worth 100. Okay, it's made up of 100 little shorts. Okay, we'll refer to this as a flat. Okay, so we've got shorts, longs and flats. You might have heard them by different names, but that's how we'll call them. Let's look at example 1 now. We're asked to write the number shown by these blocks. Now part A, we've got some flats, some longs and some shorts. Let's think about the flats firstly. Okay, they're worth 100 each, so let's count in hundreds. 100, 200. So we write 200 there, and then we plus. Now the longs are worth 10 each, so let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, let's write the 40 down. And then the shorts are just worth ones. Okay, 1 each. So counting in ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's write the 7 down. So what have we got then? We've got 200 plus 40, well that's 240, plus another 7 equals 247. Okay, let's write our answer up there. Now let's think about a table of values. Okay, we've got the ones there, then we have tens, and then we have hundreds. So we're going to have a look at what's called place value. Now in terms of hundreds, how many did we have? Have a look. We had 2 of the flats, so we have 2 in the hundreds position. How many tens did we have? All right, we're looking at that. We had 4. So let's write the 4 there. And how many ones did we have? We had 7. So let's see what we have. We have 2, 4, 7. Okay, and in those positions we read out the number as 247. Okay, that matches up with what we had before. Part B. We've got, again, some flats, and this time only some shorts. Okay, so we miss out on the longs this time. That's okay. Let's see how many flats we've got. Okay, they're worth 100 each, so let's count in hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. Let's write our 400 down. And we write plus. And in terms of shorts, okay, they're worth 1 each. We've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write the 5 down. So what do we have? We've got 400 plus 5, and that of course equals 405. Let's write that number down up there. Now look at the table again. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, let's look at the hundreds. We had 4 of them. Let's write that down. Now in terms of tens, okay, how many longs did we have? We didn't have any. So let's write, there's nothing there in that position there. Let's write the 0 there. And in terms of ones, well, we had 5 of them. So looking at the numbers there, the digits are 4, 0 and 5, but we read that out, 405. Again, matches up with what we had previously. Terrific. Example 2 now. We need to order these numbers from smallest to largest. Okay, we've got 370, 604, 598, and then 342. So our answer there, we're going from smallest to largest. Now if we look at the numbers there, okay, this might be pretty easy for you, but if not, let's just go through the method. The method is to let's look at the first digit. Okay, that's the hundreds. Okay, the first one there, they're all 3-digit numbers, so they're hundreds. 3, 6, 5, and 3 are highlighted. We're going for the smallest. Okay, and the 2 ones that have the smallest have the 3 in front, so they're in the 300s, aren't they? So then 370 and 342, what we're looking at. Let's look at the next digit. Okay, we can see that the 4 is the smaller one. So that 342 is the smallest of all the numbers. So let's write that down as the smallest number. The next smallest, okay, is that 370. Then of the 2 remaining, 604, 598, which is the smallest? Well, again, let's look at the hundreds. Okay, if we can see the 6 and the 5 comparing them, the 5 is the smaller of the 2. So the 598 will be the smaller of the two numbers there. So let's write the 598 there. And the 604 is the largest of all the numbers we had there. Excellent! Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.